The range of industries and applications are absolutely staggering. We're seeing companies such as GE Aviation begin to build parts that are going on to jet engines for aircraft. We're seeing early experiments in food printing. For years, we've seen organizations build body parts in the form of living tissue. Not yet in production, but they've proven that you can build both hard and soft tissue. In fact, I saw a bone that was grown, that was 3D printed, a bone for a dog 12 years ago in Beijing, China. And so a lot of progress is being made in these areas, so it's quite exciting.